Guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. This video is an Aldi haul. Stay tuned. First, we got some cage-free eggs. This is a staple for us. Some asparagus, the specially selected French beans. Needed some spreadable butter. We'll have that over some bagels or just regular toast. This is my favorite ice cream. Actually, I really prefer the private selection from Kroger. But I'm not going to make a trip to Kroger just for ice cream. Roma tomatoes, yay, they're finally nice and firm, as they should be. Instead of buying the bottled tea, I decided to give a try the Benner lemon iced tea mix. I'm hoping this is very similar to the Lipton mix, the lemon iced tea mix that they have, so we'll see. I bought ice cream cones from the Dollar Tree, but they don't have these kinds of cones, and I like these smaller ones. With chocolate, I feel like that tastes really good. Some hot dog buns, some chocolate chip muffins, regular white bread, the bagels, some bell peppers. We're going to be making kebabs today. My favorite kind of cucumber, the English cucumbers. Broccoli crowns. I kind of wish I got at least one more package. Going to make some corn on the cob either today or tomorrow. Bananas, and then I almost missed red potatoes, grape jelly, and I really like these. So these are the marinara, which my husband loves, and the tomato basil, which is what I like. Some garbanzo beans. I could eat these as a snack, to be honest, but probably will have this in soup, maybe a little bit in salad. A couple packages of the Never Any chicken breast. The oranges have been really good lately, so I did not see any caras this time, but these are just some regular navel oranges. These were on sale again, the chewy dipped chocolate chip granola bars. A watermelon, seedless, some chicken broth, some sharp cheddar cheese. Going to be having some sausages too, so some hot sausage, the red bag chicken, the salmon, some chicken breasts for the kebabs, and then thank you to Miss Pabon, or Mrs., for recommending the carnitas. We'll be giving these a try. These look really good. I'm hoping you guys to try a new item every week, or at least every other week, that is recommended by you, just to kind of mix it up a little bit. Sometimes the dinner routine can get a little stale, so just to have some variety. And speaking of variety, I finally saw the other kinds of everything bagel seasoning. So I still have plenty of the original flavor, but this one looked good to me. It's in Asiago cheese. The other ones I saw was jalapeno and something else. Oh, Himalayan sea salt. Okay, home items. So whoever's watching is part of the AOS Isle of Shame community on Facebook. I'm a member of that. I really like it. It's really fun and funny. I like it because they show me all the good stuff to find. So these are chindi rugs, and I wasn't sure if I was going to get them because I want to use them in the kitchen, actually, right here. But I wanted to be able to wash them in the washer. So let me look at this label. So it looks like these are machine washable. I definitely would wash them on gentle, I think, at first at least. It says you can tumble dry them. I don't know. I've never had these kinds of rugs before, so if you have, let me know if you know. But I was originally going to hang them, to dry. We'll see. I bought my first ever solar light. I know, as much as I shop at the Dollar Tree, you'd think I would have had many of solar lights to go out in the garden. But no, this is our first. And I recently took a vacation to a Michigan lake, and we got a bunch of rocks. A lot of those rocks we covered and put epoxy, but some we did not. So I thought it would be cute to have like a little lighthouse scene with some rocks and stuff. I just think it's just a nice memory of the vacation. And then this is for Aria's garden, just this cute little angel. They had several varieties, but this is the one I really wanted. The other ones were not this plain gray color. They were more painted or something. So they were much more vivid and bright, but I just thought this would be perfect. All right, so here is the receipt. Please freeze the screen if you need to look at any prices. Most expensive thing was the garden figurine, which was $9.99. Otherwise, I probably would have gotten some other garden figurines. And then the lighthouse, where is it? That was more expensive. So $12.99 for the lighthouse. All right, so that is it for this Aldi haul. Let me know, guys, what goodies to keep an eye out for. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and take care.